sun-soaked getaway in a prime location, Bodrum Beach Resort in Gumbet is a great choice. Just a short walk from the beach and close to Bodrum's bustling nightlife, this resort offers the perfect mix of relaxation and excitement. The modern, comfortable rooms provide a great space to unwind, many featuring private balconies with views of the pool or gardens. The pool area is a highlight, with multiple pools, water slides for the kids, and plenty of sun lounges for soaking up the Turkish sunshine. And with Gumbet's Golden Beach just minutes away, the Aegean Sea is always within reach. Dining is varied, with a buffet-style restaurant serving delicious international and Turkish cuisine, plus poolside bars for refreshing drinks throughout the day. For those looking to unwind, the Spa and Wellness Centre offers a traditional hammam, massages and a sauna, while active guests can enjoy water sports, a fitness centre and daily activities. As the sun sets, live entertainment and bars bring the resort to life. And for those who want to explore, Gumbet's famous nightlife is just around the corner. For a relaxing yet lively holiday in Bodrum, Bodrum Beach Resort is a fantastic choice.